found the event very inspiring and very informative, and particularly as a teacher at the university, it's good for me to keep up with the knowledge and trends in the industry that are accumulating. And yeah, so I really learned a lot, and I was inspired by many of the talks. Yes, it surpassed my expectations. It's a very cozy little event with a lot of networking opportunities to meet the players in the industry and also to mix and mingle with the folks, and you get also information aside from just the conference talks. Yes, it's very useful, and I think you did a good job yesterday evening with this raffle.
Thank you.
To get people together, get people to talk, and to even with people who haven't met before. And at the table there's some common topic to talk about and to get easy in touch with all the other people.
Fantastic.
So I really enjoyed that. I would give it a 10 out of 10, of course. No, it is. It's in my hometown here in Berlin. It's home turf. It's not far from me. It's easy for me to get here. And Berlin is a vibrant and wonderful city. It's the city that has a biotech cluster here in Germany and a lot of startup companies. And and you did a good job in bringing here all people from all over the world, from Oklahoma, from Texas, from California, from Asia.